Welcome back, guys, to Southside Boy Style here at you again with another video. And for the first time in a long time, guys, it's a beautiful day here in Newfoundland. Guys, the actual pronunciation is Newfoundland, okay? So to all the rest of the Canadians out there and my American brothers and sisters, it's Newfoundland. That's how it's pronounced, okay? The spelling is Newfoundland, but we call it Newfoundland. Anyways, guys, it's a nice day here for the first time in a long time. And it's going to hit up in the 20-degree area today, so it's going to hit 20 degrees. For my American friends, that's going to be that. And we're going to do some little bit of work with this 2012 Dodge Caravan. It's actually a Caravan, just giving you the differences in pronunciations. Caravan, Newfoundland, Newfoundland. It's not Newfoundland. Anyway, guys, what we're going to be doing with this bad boy today, I want to show you guys. Now, I did a video on this on the 2012 Hyundai Elantra. I'll put it right there in the window, on how to get minor scuffs out of your clear coat job. So what this could be is kid on a pillow bike, or a shopping cart could have grazed it, a vehicle could have grazed it, whatever the case may be, something did this, okay? Something grazed it. Now, this was on this before I owned it, but I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of it. Now, I know, guys, I got to do some body work here. That's not what I'm doing today. I just want to show you how to get rid of a few minor scuffs on your vehicle to make it look good again. Okay, so guys, what I'm using, I have the big DAs and all the expensive stuff and pads, and I'm not using that. I'm doing this cheap and simple, basically, so anybody could do this for like 20-30 bucks, right? As long as everybody has a drill. Okay, that's a 12-volt DeWalt drill. And these are pads I ordered on Amazon for like 26 bucks. They actually come with a lot of different style of these pads and the fitting that connects into the drill. And that works perfect. And I'm using Meguiar's. And listen, you don't have to use Meguiar's. I'm just using Meguiar's because I have it. As long as you have a compound and a polish, you're in a good situation to probably get that nastiness out. So that's what I'm using. I'm going to start off using the compound, and then I'm going to use the polish. Okay, so guys, first thing I'm going to use, as I said, is the compound. Okay, just going to put a little bit on top of the pad, if I can. So let's put a little bit of this on top of the pad. That's all you need, just that amount. That should be enough. And just rub it in so that it doesn't splatter everywhere. Okay, guys, I have to change my battery. I'll be right back. Okay, I got a fresh new battery. Let's go. This is not a good battery. You think, guys, I would have had my batteries charged up. And you just keep going in and going in on it. I don't have to go this wide, but now this is some road grime or something. I don't know what that is. I'm actually gonna get something to scratch that off. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna use this little, whatever this is, try to get this off. This is a glue or something. I don't know what it is. I know it's on there pretty bad. It's like tar from pavement or something. This was actually scratches, guys, into the surface of the clear coat, but this is a sticky something. Let's get some spray for that. Okay, this is just Windex, guys. You can see how this little graze in the clear coat showed up. Oh, this is nasty. It's like tar. It's probably, that's what it is. It's probably tar that somehow got on this, but I'm getting it off. And I got it. It's off. Okay, so let's get back with our drill and keep polishing. So that's using the compound, guys. Now I'm going to switch up this pad. I'm going to put a different one on, and we're going to use the polish. So if you look at this pad is more smooth. It doesn't have the ridges in it. This is the one I'm using for the polish, and remember, I'm using a polish now. Rub it in like we did before. And I'm using a clean microfiber rag, just going over it. There we go, guys. And you know, sometimes this works for the big deep scratches as well, but as you can see, we've basically got her. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. And you can compare it between here and here, the actual polish, but you see that? That's a perfect, easy way to get rid of those minor scratches in your clear coat, little scuffs. Works every time for me. Now, obviously, guys, if it's a big, you know, big, deep scratch, it's not going to work. But on situations like that, it'll work just fine. And there's not too many dings around here that needs to be fixed. It's just certain body work, and well, that's just the way it is. Now you can do the same thing with the headlights, and I'll show you. If you guys want to stick around, I'll show you. You can actually use the polish for the headlights too. So if you look at that headlight, you can see that it's kind of glazed up along here, looks kind of dirtyish looking. You can do the same thing with the same pad. You can actually use the same thing. I do this all the time. You can use this polish. I'm having such trouble with this container. So you can use this, but that much, on your headlights as well. Just keep working it in. And this will bring these back to a nice shine. Now you can wet sand these with like 2000 grit sandpaper, all of that, but sometimes it's almost just as good to do it this way. See? Wipe it down, and look how much better this light looks now. Actually, I'm going to do a bit more work in the center of this one. Give it a little Windex spray. There you go. There you have it. And as you see, that light now looks a lot better than this headlight. And we'll do this one the same way we did this one. Now, I wiped it down with Windex after. I don't know why, I just do. Do I need to? No, but now that it's polished and everything, it's just something I do. Now, we'll do this one. Okay guys, let's start working on this one right now. And look at that, guys, look at the difference. Nice and bright. My battery's soon gonna die, guys. I see it. Nice and bright. Sorry guys, my battery died. So let's give this a nice little wipe down. Like I said, I just run it over with Windex just to, if there's any blemishes on it from where I'm scrubbing it. So I just give it a wipe down. Just all over. And see what a difference. Now when you look at it, it looks more cleaner, brighter, better. So we got the headlights cleaned up a bit, and we got that minor scuff took out of this wheel well right here, which came out really nice, pretty good. They're not in it no more. And well guys, these are just simple little things that you can do to keep it looking good, right? So that's the simple little things that you can do. So guys, I'm going to end this video here now, and hope this helps you out. You know, guys, just a little video to show you guys that you can make your vehicle look a lot better just by doing some simple little things. Freshen up your headlight lenses, and you know, those minor scuffs on your vehicle, well, they don't have to be permanent as long as they're minor scuffs in the clear coat. Some compound, some polish, you can buff it right out. And you don't have to use the big DA pads or the big DAs. I have all that here, but it's not needed, it's not required. And you remember, that was a few nice scuffs in that, but just a cheap and easy way to take them out, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate my subscribers. I appreciate non-subscribers. As long as you're watching the videos, I appreciate you all. And if you like, you can give me a like. And if you want, you can give me a subscribe. And also, if you want, you can check out my merch. It's all down there. There's a lot of stuff. And soon, guys, we're going to be working back on this 65, okay? Yes, it's been a while. We're soon going to start ripping back into this one. She's been sitting too long now, and well, I want her to be moving, mobile, okay? And we still have this one, guys. We still have this one we have to do. No, I don't let it sit outside, guys, with no doors. It's always in the garage. I only take it out when I'm doing a video or something, and then I put it right back in the garage. So that's that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.